Welcome to our channel. If you have accumulated Citi ThankYou Points and want to redeem them for statement credits to reduce your credit card balance, follow these step-by-step instructions to get the best value. Step 1. Log into your Citi account by visiting the Citi website or opening the Citi mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your credit card account. Step 2. Navigate to the Thank You Reward section from the main menu. This area displays your current ThankYou Points balance and redemption options. Step 3. Click on Redeem Points or Use Points to view all available redemption options including statement credits, gift cards, travel, merchandise, and more. Step 4. Select Statement Credit as your redemption option. This allows you to apply your points directly to your credit card balance as a credit. Step 5. Review the redemption rate for statement credits. Typically, Citi ThankYou Points are redeemed at a rate of 1 cent per point for statement credits, meaning 10,000 points equals $100 in credit. Step 6. Enter the number of points you want to redeem for a statement credit. Make sure you have enough points available in your account to complete the redemption. Step 7. Confirm the redemption by reviewing the details and clicking Submit or Redeem. Citi will process your request and apply the statement credit to your account within 7 to 10 business days. Step 8. Check your credit card statement after the processing period to verify that the statement credit has been applied to your balance. If you do not see the credit, contact Citi customer service at 1-800-950-5114 for assistance. Remember that statement credits are a convenient way to use your points, but other redemption options like travel may offer better value per point depending on your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.